So in this video, I'm going to talk about cilia. And so what cilia is essentially it's a single, I'm sorry, a cilia is just like a hair-like thing found in cells, but a single non-motile, which means it doesn't move, is found in nearly every cell. In nearly every cell. And so it actually has many functions. For example, in the ears, retina, nasal cavity, and kidney, it functions as sensory functions. So what it does is it essentially acts like an antenna that can monitor local conditions and essentially help you perceive your environment. And so those are the cilia that don't move. On the other hand, you have motile cilia, and so these are the cilia that move. So, but motile cilia are not found in, for example, motile cilia is not found only one at a time. So they occur in packs, essentially. But it's important to remember they are less widespread, so less common. And generally, they have a mucus layer on top of the cilia. And so motile cilia is essentially, it helps move substances in the same direction, and it's like a wave, and it beats in the same direction, moving stuff. So it's found in the respiratory tract, the uterine tube, ventricles of the brain, and in the testes. So those are some of the important places they're found. And so you might ask, like, how does it work? Well, there's a motor protein called dynein. And what that does is it helps cilia move. And so dynein is actually inside the cilia. So we'll write it down here. It's inside the cilia. And it's a motor protein. Which essentially means protein that helps with motion. And so I hope you found this video helpful. That sums it up for cilia, non-motile, and motile. Essentially, they have many functions. Motile cilia usually just move stuff, while the sensory cilia, the single cilia or sensory cilia, usually just helps you perceive the environment and does sensory stuff. And so I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and share it with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't already.